For today's tip of the day, let's take a look at Ikigai hole 5. This is a triple mando, and the mando is actually a torii gate, as they call it in Japanese. It's about 300 feet from the tee pad, and it's about 30 feet wide. So a bit tricky, and it's slightly elevated from the tee pad. But I think the preferred disc, and I've tried a bunch of them, is the accurate glide grace on a backhand. And for most winds, the aim point, if you put the middle chevron at the left post of the torii gate and then come straight back, it's going to get through the triple mando anyway and leave you somewhere about 90 to 110 or so, depending on, well, that's 60, so that's even better, depending on where it lands. And this is about a 10-foot elevation uh, difference, so you want to add about 10 foot of power, so that would be about 70. And let's look at another wind. The only wind where I think you need to do a little something different is a 3 wind out of the left. We'll throw a couple more, and you have to remember to switch to backhand. That's the downside here. But a 3 wind out of the left, you want to move just to the left of that left post. But this seems to be pretty consistent. Add 10 to that again, about 102. And let's see if I can get that 3 wind. Otherwise, I may take a break and come back. Well, this is the 3 wind out of the right. And this one, probably want to go a little more towards the center. I said most of them. But you do need to adjust somewhere from about the center to just left. This is the range of adjustment. It's pretty small. But the accurate attribute on the grace really helps out here. And the other disc that I was playing around with was the turn glide on a forehand, but I just didn't like that. It missed too often. And this one, what I like about it is for almost probably 80% of the winds, that aim point right there and straight back will get you through the triple mando. Now, you do have to be comfortable with the 100-foot throw in, but I think most people are probably comfortable with that. That's 90, and then you're going to add 10, so 100 is the bottom of that Wi-Fi band. And I haven't got that wind I was looking for, so let me see if it comes up. No, okay, let me find that wind. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Got the 3 wind out of the left that I was looking for. So we're still going to go with the accurate extra glide grace. Remember to switch to backhand. Going to put the middle chevron just to the left of the left post on the torii gate. And then we're going to pull straight back. And that should get through the triple mando. It's going to be probably 90 feet or so. 70, that's even better. So that is Ikigai Springs hole 5. You do need to practice it a little bit, obviously, if you're trying to do a 3-star, because you don't want to mess up on hole 5 and have to start over if you can help it. And I hope you learned something, and we'll see you around the valley.